Hello from Hong Kong! We're staying at the #1 hotel in the world, which is Rosewood Hong Kong. It's my first time staying here, and unfortunately the check-in process has not been smooth. The check-in time was supposed to be at 3, but when we showed up, the room wasn't ready for like another 40 minutes. So now I have to rush to get ready because we have an appointment at 4 p.m. And also my husband had prearranged flowers to be in the room for me as a surprise when we check in. The flowers weren't here. Obviously, the check-in process could have been smoother for supposedly #1 best hotel in the world and also a 5-star hotel. I've never had this experience before at any of my 5-star hotel stays, but I'm not gonna let this ruin my day. I'm gonna quickly get ready and take you guys along with us for the rest of our trip. Consolation from nothing at Van Cleef. I'll show you guys later.
So what you got? It's a verdict. Oh,
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Oh, yum. She's going on a spree because her husband's buying.
Okay. Is my husband buying?
So fun having a husband, huh?
Yeah. I love this all-inclusive trip.
Oops. You know, this is exactly 6 times.
Oh, okay.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow. Ooh. Scary.
I'm a pro at opening bottles. I'm a bottle girl.
Okay. A lot of bubbles. They should hire you at Zook. Or not. Okay, cheers.
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 It's good. It's not as cold as I want it to be.
Yeah.
And they give you a cake.
It's good. I like it.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that expensive shit.
I love this all-inclusive vacation.
Oh.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever.
We want this one. Did you pay for it already?
I'm about to. Get it?
Oh my god! It's
Hold on. Hold on.
It's
When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type. Baby, let me read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on by your side. Come and show me. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type. Give it up, run it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I gotta crush, crush, crush on you.
There's 2 bottles of wine.
What do you mean? It's not a censor.
Oh, it's not.
It's not Vegas. I know what that means. I can pop it every now and then.
Goodbye, Hong Kong. I'll miss you. I had a lot of fun here, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog. Be sure to stay tuned for our next one. Bye!